Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to log on to Microsoft Teams and join a meeting. So the app is here on my desktop. If it's not on your desktop, you can type it over here and choose Microsoft Teams and launch the app. All right, once you launch the app, you're going to want to come over here on the left side to your calendar. You're going to look on Monday at 9 a.m. Here's the Kashmir High virtual faculty meeting. And then at the top right hand corner, you're going to choose join. Now, right now when I join, there's not going to be anybody because it's not happening right now. But what you want to do first is if you want everyone to see you, you want to make sure that your camera and microphone are switched on. Okay, so it's going to automatically connect you. And I just want to show you a few features. If you're in a noisy environment, you can hit the mute button. So what this means is that no one can hear me talking now, but I can hear what other people are saying. If you have any questions, you can come over here to the chat and type any questions that you have. All right. And when you're done, you can hang up on the meeting. All right, so I hope that helps you. And if you have any questions, just let me know.